Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you in Winter Garden, Florida today. We're going to show you this amazing, luxurious house behind me. It is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom house. As we're going to see, it does start out off at 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, and the square footage on it is 4,076. The base price at time of shooting, and today is December 10th, 2020. It's going to be $650,990, and then it goes up from there with lot premiums and upgrades. This one's got a ton of upgrades. Also has a pool. It's also on a lot that's on the water, so that lot's like even over 100,000 bucks. So this one here probably will be a little bit over $1 million when everything's said and done. But let's go ahead and look at the floor plan, take some drone footage, and do a walkthrough of this beautiful home. So let's look at the floor plan of this very luxurious home. So as you come through the entrance, you'll see that on the left-hand side, we have bedroom number 5, and that also has a full bathroom suite there. And then we have the dining room area and family room area. And then on the left side of the house, we have our primary bedroom and primary bath, and also a walk-in closet that's bigger than most bedrooms. And then on the other side of the home, we have a 3-car garage. It's a tandem garage, as you can see, the kitchen, breakfast nook, laundry room, and also pool bath. Now, if you want it, you can change the floor plan a little bit here. You can make the primary bedroom even bigger by adding additional sitting room off of that primary bedroom, and also you can have that lanai go and extend and have those French doors there off the sitting room. And you can also change the half bath in the back to a pool bath that has a shower. Now, looking at the second story of this home, as we come up, we come to a landing, and then we have a few more steps up to a loft area, and then we have bedrooms number 2, 3, and 4 up there. Now, bedroom number 2 has a full bath, and then bedrooms number 4 and 3 share a bathroom there. Now, the option that you can have on the second story is to add an additional balcony, as you see here. All right, so let's go ahead and go inside of this beautiful home. So over here we have a garage. It is a 3-car garage. And then let's go ahead and go inside. We have this front entry area here. Beautiful glass door. And then we walk into the home. And as you can see, we have lots of upgrades as soon as we come in. We have the staircases upgraded, all the floorings updated here. And then here we go to the left. And they also have some really nice woodworking going on. That's something they did extra after the fact. And then here is bedroom number 2. It's a really nice sized bedroom right here. We come in here and I'll show you, it actually is a bedroom suite, has its own full bathroom. And then also the closet is going to be over here. And you see the closet. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of this amazing home. So you come this direction here, we have a dining room. It's a really nice dining room here. Got a huge table, seating for 8. And then we also have the columns going there. And then also check this out, if I scan up, we have the very high ceilings, and also check those woodworking, all the little extras they did on this model home to make it into a really, really nice showcase home. So we go over here, this is the family room area and kitchen. So let's go over to the kitchen area and show you this. We have our refrigerator here. They got some nice cabinetry. We have the pantry right over here. And then we have our microwave and oven combo. This is a gas community. They even have a pot filler. Bring this out and fill up your pots. Nice little upgrade there. And then we also have a little breakfast nook area here that has a nice view of the pool and also the lake. This direction here, we have the laundry room, and then that goes into the garage area. It even has a sink over there that they've added. And I go this direction here. We have a half bath, or actually it's a full bath, sorry. That's the shower there. So it has a nice pool bath, which is really nice because as you can see, right here is going to be the pool and the view. So let's go ahead and show you that pool that they've done here as an idea. In case you're watching this and you're just watching it for ideas and maybe thinking about putting a pool in yourself. Well, check this out. This is a nice patio area here. Lots of space. And then here is the pool. It's a beautiful day here. It's 72 degrees here in Winter Garden, Florida. Maybe a little bit too cold to go in the pool, but I know some people that would go in the pool here. We've got a couple little tanning shelves over there, a little sitting area, and then you get to look at this beautiful view. And then, you know, they have the other lots available all along the lake here if you want to have something very similar to this home. So let's go back this way and show you the rest of this. Now, if you haven't done already, do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up button on YouTube and also subscribe to our channel. If you like interior design ideas, if you're thinking about buying or selling a house in Central Florida, or if you just like these types of videos, do us a favor and follow our channel. So here we are at a primary bedroom here. This is very large. As you can see, we have a king size bed here. Then we have plenty of space on either side of the bed. They've done some amazing woodworking. This is stuff that a lot of builders do, but they don't even offer as upgrades. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, you would have to do some of that, you know, get a carpenter afterwards to do it. But this gets you some really good ideas of what you can do to really make a home really pop. And then here's that primary bathroom. We have one sink there. We have that tub in the middle, another sink on that side, and then check out the shower. Look how many different things it has going on there. It has a sprayer, and then these are the controls. And then you also have one there, and then also one up there. So you might get a lot of water flow there. So we go this direction here. We have our water closet is right there. And then our main closet is here. And this home is actually built by MI. So it does have some really good insulation. They have the insulation in between the bricks that helps with both sound and also energy cost. And then also here they have a cutout where you can see where they have the insulation, the type of grade insulation, and also the tinfoil stuff there. That's the radiant barrier. That also helps with the energy of the home. So we'll go walk around in this closet and take a tour right around this center console in the closet. And then we'll go back and then head upstairs and show you the second story of this beautiful home. So I'll come this direction here. Let us know what you think about this home in the comments below. You know, do you like it? Is it too big, too small? What you like the best about it? What room you like the best about it? So here we go upstairs, and it's got two different levels. You'll see really soon as we come up here. We can come this direction here, which is the stop off for bedrooms, or we can go up one more level and show you this nice loft area here. We got the foosball table going on. And some really nice, I like the colors here really pop off the wall. And then we have a patio here. So just imagine entertaining, having all your guests up here. And then you can come out here and enjoy the weather. Today would be a beautiful day to do this. And then see the amazing views that we have from this home. So just go back in, let's go down a level and show you these bedrooms. Go this direction first. This will be bedroom number 3. Live your dream. Not bad advice there. And I'm gonna show you something really cool here. We got, come over this direction here. We have a closet, and then we also have a full bath. So it's a suite, but check out, we have a selfie mirror right here. So everyone say hi, and that's D. He works at the office with me as well, and is just following me around today. And then we have bedroom number 4 right here. This is the Lacrosse Bedroom. Check out that design. Lacrosse player actually coming out of all the little blue triangles. It's interesting, a little bookshelf up here. And then this one also has a walk-in closet right here. So plenty of space. And then we go back this direction here. And this way, we have our full bathroom here. So, which goes in between these 2 bedrooms and also is nice and close to that loft area. And this is bedroom number 5. The F-16 bedroom. That was one of my favorite airplanes when I was growing up. One of my favorite movies was Top Gun. Ended up learning how to fly because of watching that movie. So, and there's the closet. And then that is this home. All right, so that's a tour of this amazing, beautiful home here in Winter Garden, Florida. Now, if you're interested in this home, make sure you give me a call. My name is Mike. My phone number is 407-487-3030. Be able to help you or have one of my realtors on my team help you find the perfect home for you in the Central Florida area. Or if you're just interested in other homes here in the Winter Garden area, click on the link here. Or if you're interested in other luxury homes, click on the link here. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.